Want 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Fast. I'm about to give you the exact steps I used to grow my channel from 0 to 1K in record time, without ads, without bots, and without begging people to subscribe. Stick around until the end, because step 4 is the one that turned my channel into a subscriber magnet. If you miss that one, you might stay stuck under 100 subs forever. Look, I know I haven't hit 1,000 subs yet, but this is literally only my second video, and I'm still gonna help you get there, faster. Step 1. Don't start with a huge, broad topic like gaming or fitness. Instead, go super specific. Instead of fitness, go home workouts for busy dads. Instead of gaming, go Minecraft build hacks. Why? Because when you target one tiny, passionate audience, YouTube knows exactly who to recommend you to. And that's how you get recommended views fast. Step 2. Before hitting record, go to YouTube's search bar, type your niche keyword, and see what people are actually searching for. Example, if your niche is DIY room decor, you might see DIY room decor for small rooms. Make that video first. Search-based videos bring you evergreen traffic, meaning people find you every single day without you uploading constantly. Step 3. Your intro should be 10 seconds or less. Get to the point instantly. And here's the secret. Add mini hooks every 20-30 seconds to keep people watching. Like asking a question, teasing what's next, or showing a quick preview of the result. The longer they watch, the more YouTube pushes your video. Step 4. When a video starts getting views, post again quickly. Don't disappear for weeks. YouTube rewards channels that keep people coming back. Even if it's short videos, consistency tells the algorithm. This channel is active. Recommend them more. Step 5, instead of saying, please subscribe, say, if you liked this and want more tips like this every week, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Give them a reason. Viewers respond to benefits, not begging. If you follow these 5 steps, you won't just hit 1,000 subs, you'll build a channel that keeps growing. And if you want my free checklist for getting your first 1,000 subscribers, it's linked in the description. I'll see you in the next video.